Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a Matchbox car that is 20 years old. I've been saving this Daddy's Dreams series. It's an Audi T-Type Roadster. And this has been in the package before they started putting the picture right there. Picture of the actual car. It's been in the package since 2001. So 20 years, I think it's about time we open it. See if it rolls on the track. See what's metal, see what's plastic. Wonder how this is going to open. Is it going to stick to the glue? Or is it going to pop right off? Oh, it's a bad open. It's okay though, because we're not saving the package. Destroy it at will. Oh yeah. Doesn't have much weight to it. Doesn't have a roof either, though. It's a convertible. Those wheels roll perfectly. Get that to come in. We got the glare off the sky this time. Hopefully you can see that well. And the blue is definitely metal, and the bottom is definitely plastic. Windshield is tight. It's tight. I like that. See how it rolls. Woohoo! I have a bad habit of dropping them lately, but no damage done. See if we can do that one more time. Oh, that is one smooth ride right there. It doesn't help that I don't have any feelings in my fingers doing these videos out in the snow. Thanks so much for tuning in and watching me unbox this Audi T-Type Roadster. And this is from Matchbox 2001. Please subscribe to Timmy's 10 again.